How's it going, everyone? Mike here. August 18th, Merch by Amazon sales update. And also, as you saw in the title, we're giving away 1 month of Merch Informer Pro free. The value of this is $59.99. So I'm going to go into these details, but let's look at the sales update quickly. 121 sales in the US. This totals $2,237.81 in sales for the total amount in royalties of $443.25. I'm always keeping an eye on this number, and this is where I like to see it. Royalties per sale, $3.66. What's been happening is actually, I've mentioned this in my last video, a lot of new products are selling, and as you can see here, I'm scrolling through, and these are all one-offs. There's definitely a few, 3 or 4 products that have continued and have been my best sellers for the last couple of months, and I guess more than a couple of months, let's say 6 months or so, and those are always selling, and that's great. And with the number of new uploads, as you can see here, and I've been hitting that 800 number almost every single day, my sales have started to slowly increase. You wouldn't see that in the US market because I'm still averaging about 50 to 60, sometimes 70 sales per week, but it's shown in the total overall sales across all the marketplaces. So as you can see here, 160 sales in total, and Germany and Japan definitely stand out, but over the course of the month, all the other marketplaces add up. So we're gonna leave it there. I'm gonna jump into Merch Informer. The Merch Informer, again, I know all the links are gonna be below, but basically what's been happening is Merch Informer decided to give 1 month free to one of you guys through this channel, because they've made some new updates, and this is the way that they want to promote it. So let's go through those updates quickly, and then, like I said, I'll definitely leave the links below for you guys to check out Merch Informer in general. Basically, the way that they describe what it is, and I'm always thinking about the way to describe this, but there's no better way to actually say it than what they've already said. And it's an all-in-one tool for selling merch on Amazon. So basically, this is for niche research, trademark protection, keyword research, automation, design research, all that kind of stuff, right? So like I said, check out the links below. But again, we're going to set some rules and figure out how to give out that 1 month free of Merch Informer Pro, which is what I use, and it has been incredible. So let's see what the updates are. Basically, what they've done is they've added international marketplaces to their research tools. So right now what they've done is they've added France, Italy, and Spain. So as you can see here, this is what they say. These marketplaces are now available to search in both product search module as well as the Merch Hunter. And then they go over some of these examples. So this is basically what it would look like if you were to go into Merch Informer Pro and start doing some research. So basically, again, I won't go into a lot of detail, but they're saying even though everybody is doing most of their research for the .com, the US marketplace, there's just so much missed opportunity in all the other marketplaces where it's not as, I guess, I don't want to say competitive. It definitely is competitive, but for example, it's not saturated with the same niches, and there's still a lot of opportunity. So for example, they're using the keyword dog here, and what they're saying, finally, when you enter the keyword that you're looking for, you select the marketplace, you select a category, and then what you get is basically all the information that you would want to look at, which is the product, sales rank, bullet points, description, and this is what it looks like. So you can actually see all this crucial information for that marketplace. So, and again, we're just looking at France, right? They've added all the other marketplaces. So as you're going through, they're giving you the information on the listings. So this is, how you can figure out, how to compete with not only the designs, but the titles and some of the bullet points. And then some of the other functions are basically the information that's provided is to let you figure out, you know, what the best pricing strategy is. So this here shows you the price and it shows you the sale rank, which is the best seller rank, BSR. So the lower the BSR is, that means that your items are selling more, and that's where you want to be. You want to have the lowest best seller rank. You can also check out your competition score and see, for example, based on the title, the keywords, all that information that you've entered, how your product and niche are ranked compared to some of the other products with the same keywords and information. And then they go through the Merch Hunter function, and again, you know, I've done this on my channel. I've always done this for the US marketplace, but again, they've added it for all the other marketplaces, and there's just so much information, for example, that you can look at. And as you can see here on the screen, you know, you're not only looking at the keywords, you're looking at the, you know, best seller rank, you're looking at the price. They usually give you, you know, 100 results and so on. So this is all the information that you would get when you're looking at certain niches, certain keywords. So again, this is what they've done. They've added these marketplaces. Let me just go back just to make sure that we're talking about the correct things, correct marketplaces: France, Italy, and Spain. And part of the promotion is the giveaway. Now, here's how we're gonna give away the $60 value for Merch Informer Pro. Be subscribed to the channel, easy. Like the video, easy. And here's the hard part, and this will have nothing to do with Merch by Amazon or anything else. But the top liked comment, which includes a joke, will be the winner. And we're going to announce the winner on Friday, which gives this video 2 days for any of you guys to, you know, submit as many jokes as you want, like the video as many times as you want, and that will be basically it. I know it's a little weird, but that's how I want to do it. So again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and the comment, which includes a joke, with the most number of likes, will be announced the winner, and I will send you the information how to retrieve this. So there's basically nothing to it. You simply get a month of Merch Informer Pro for free. Again, it's all part of the promotion. There's nothing else to it, and that's it. So you know what? Let me leave it there. I'll include all this information, again, details in the description of the video. But again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a joke. Now, the good thing is you can leave as many jokes as you want, and the one that is the most liked by all of you guys, because I don't want to make that decision. I'm going to let you guys make that decision. Whoever gets that comment will be awarded the 1 month free of Merch Informer Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon, and I'll announce the winner on Friday.